Hi everyone, I'm Claire. I'm Global Business Development Manager from Beijer Group. I hope you are doing well. Beijer Group is a HMI manufacturer for 40 years from Sweden. With our proven record and expertise across different segmentations like automation, infrastructure, security, and transportation for many years. Now we become the company that able to provide total solution for system connection and digitalization to the cloud or to the database. Start from Europe, Bear's footprint have been covered to Asia now. Our customers have different requirements or struggles based on various harsh environments and circumstances. For example, customers are struggling with old and legacy facilities that are not compatible with latest technology. Or their networking system is unable to transmit data nonstop. Or customers have projects in both Europe and Asia that need suppliers to support existing stocks and technical support. Bear usually customize solutions based on our customers' needs. Before the project, we always go on site to check the whole structure, understand our customers' pain point first, then decide customized solutions specifically for the project. Even after the project, we have global technical team standby on site or online. This all makes Bear a good team player in customers' mind. We have passion with our solutions and service, and we are happy to co-work with our global partners. I'm very excited to share two of the interesting automation projects we've done recently that make system more intelligent, connected, and competitive. Feel free to discuss your ideas or raise any questions in the chat box with us. This project is done by one of our customers in Norway. They are a supplier of production facility specifically for the fish industry. They offer one-stop shop for fish production line from conveyor, washing, cutting, lifting, and packaging machine. In their fish packaging production line, they integrate Bear's complete display and networking solutions in their system. They use modern codices-based technology to control an entire production line and store in the cloud, from fish picking, sorting, testing, and all the way to packaging that makes sure all the seafood are fresh and well packed. Let's take a look at the simple procedure first. After the catch fish arrive the factory, it goes to picking and sorting station. Sensors on the machine choose the fish with good quality that are sellable on the market. Then the paper boxes are ready on the conveyor line openly. The machine will detect how many fish for each box and how weight for each box and what direction to put in the box. After fully packed, boxes will go to strapped stations, then ready to upload to truck for delivery. Actually, after we talk to customers, we find out they have met some problems that bothered them for a long time. For example, sometimes the paper box on the production line falls down off the conveyor without attention, or not put in the right direction, not in the right angle, but no one noticed this. And these problems affect the process that engineers have to stop the whole production line and put the box back to the right direction, back and forth. The whole process creates a vicious circle and decrease the production efficiency. Each month, the machine hit a low utilization rate and sometimes delay the delivery time. So customers are looking for remote access and predictive monitoring system to increase the efficiency and production downtime. Another issue is it's hard to integrate the whole production line at the beginning because the production side is running for years and some of its facilities are old and legacy. And each station has different protocols that makes whole systems incompatible, and also all facilities are unable to customize specific parameters to monitor like weight, humidity, freshness of the fish, which are all big headache for customer. After knowing what's customer's pain point, we integrate solutions to form a network of machines, data for analytics, and users involved to solve their problem. We tailor the whole system based on customer display type, operating system, and requirements. We use Beijer's X2 control HMI to reach the remote access and predictive monitoring system. The X2 control HMI has powerful ARM Cortex A9 processor, and it has robust die-cast aluminum housing that offers great resistance to mechanical stress. It will send all production information and parameters into MES by IT protocols like OPC-UA and MQTT. The X2 Control HMI builds secure networking communication system that compatible with different protocols at each station. It also comes with predictive techniques to monitor issues remotely. No need to be on site. The system communicates with the controller that connect to all the sensors and send alarm notifications to engineers immediately. We digitalize the data on and off the equipment and made them have the abilities to communicate with each station, like when is the fish arrived, when is it departure to next station, or is there any boxes, fall downs need to be detected. Plus, Beijer's HMI has open framework that integration is possible across all different technical systems, from one side to another side. All engineers can check and maintain immediately with the IX software on the HMI display. The graphic touchscreen reduces the user's operation difficulty. Parameters are transmitted from meters and stored in the database using open communication protocols and with reports that can check timely production status. The X2 Web HMI panels enable visualization of the same content across different devices, such as mobile, tablet, and PC. Engineer can check latest data information without any conversion whenever they are. And this really saves their time and efforts. The plan manager can create visual dashboards that combine different data sources into one single view, including statistics like bar graphs, pie charts, statistic or data comparison. He can view key performance indicators from the machines in real or near real time using the runtime dashboard and pull historical data from the cloud and use them directly in Excel or Microsoft Power BI form to foresee and prevent any machine failures. But how about protocols integration issues and customized parameters or recipes? In the past, customers need to buy extra gateways to catch the data information and customize their own parameters, which increase additional cost. But Bear's X2 control has built-in gateway, means it combines HMI and gateway function together, not only double the performance, but also save the cost. In the past, gateway and HMI panels have been usually considered as two separate devices. It means twice the risk of system error. With Bayer's X2 control panels, the multi-core processors are capable of deliver fast screen changes and program execution such as speed of the production running on the same operator panels. And customers can simply configure system with only one software and the setting and demand are ready. From basic functions like equipment status, text input, and recipes are accompanied by advanced functions such as database, IT protocol support, multi-purpose display, and integration with various industrial devices. Besides, Bear's X2 control panels can communicate with hundreds of different unique PLC brands on the market. Only one device can access to all the vital data hidden in the old machines or facilities and send it to the cloud, which is easy to operate and solve customers' pain. As you can see from the slide, I list some of the driver brands here. You can also check from our driver list through the link I shared to you to see if your device are compatible. On the other side, after all the packed boxes ready, the AGV cars come pick and upload to trucks. As AGV cars running inside and outside of the factory while carrying the box, this requires good communications between final station and AGV cars to reach zero time waste. When the box is ready, it will immediately inform AGV cars to come and tell the cars how many boxes to pick to achieve the non-stop data communication system for the running cars. We choose to install Wi-Fi AP device to fulfill the idea. We install a JetWave 2212G Wi-Fi AP. This is a model, it's an industrial 2 gigabit port. It has A02.11, A, B, G, N, and AC, wireless AP and client device. Its compact size can perfectly fit in the small AGV cars. This model supports both 2.4G and 5G frequency. It's dual band with both 2.4G and 5G signal, For example, when the 2.4G signal is too crowded, it will automatically switch to 5G to avoid the internet crowd. Its dual band dual radio can back up each ring to achieve wireless redundant. It will automatically switch to the best Wi-Fi channel and keep it updated by the system to avoid any Wi-Fi interference. And its built-in auto channel survey functions will allow the device to detect whether it is on the best Wi-Fi frequency. If it detects a better frequency with less or zero interference, it will switch over to that channel. And that makes sure the device is always on the best Wi-Fi connection. Each Wi-Fi device connects with one AGV card and with antenna installed. It can point-to-point catch data without any data lost. At first, customer is afraid to install wireless solutions because they are not sure about the reliability. But they satisfied with this solution because the model has dual SIM card, micro USB for local data storage. It means it has double protection. If one connection breaks down, another storage can recover immediately to make sure no data lost. It also simplifies the whole process, telling AGV cars like when it's ready, when to go, and what is the route to go. With the upgraded system, our customers successfully decrease 20% of the redundant time. This is by receiving alert every time before any issues start. So they have spare time and efforts to fix it and decrease the operation efficiency. For us, we are also happy to be part of the process to fulfill the latest automation idea. The second case is tire factory project we've done in China. The factory is improving its automation system by integrating HMI, SCADA, and data acquisition system. As you can see from this slide, the factory also has many stations such as TPM process, steam control station, boiler tanks. And each station has lots of like sensors, PLC, robot arms, and measuring device to connect. So customer is looking for a non-stop data acquisition system that can extend the data between different stations. And meantime, they need prevention from network EMI and radio frequencies interference in these harsh environment conditions. We offer a complete data acquisition solution with the network switch and industrial computer that ensure effective operation of the tire factory. On each side, the JetBox 5630, we installed it because it's a compact computers can fit in the small space on site to collect the data from various networking equipments, PLC, and digital controlling device. It is a gateway to connect different network groups, such as complex networking architectures with Ethernet and serial control and the front end side. It working as a Modbus RTU to Modbus TCP gateways that efficiently communicate data from the station to the upper level. Then we use the network switch, GenNet 5210G switch as an uplink device for all the data. which allow communication and extending data between different facilities subsystems that are located in different places. Here we use this network switch, distribute throughout the plant, connect and extend data from PLC to the control center by forming a redundant ring through the Ethernet ports. And then send all the data to core switch with fiber ports that can transmit data over 100 kilometers far. In this slide, the highlight orange color is the ring pass that support fast recovery time and allow communicate with the core switch, rack mount switch in control room over long distance. Not just transfer and extending data between widely distributed plants. The optical fibers cable can also help to resist the EMI and frequency interference and the ground loops. Established non-stop networking solutions and fast redundancy is key to the data transmission and lively analysis. The most important requirements are reliability, security, and connection between each side. The disconnection is likely to cause huge impact and loss. So here in the system, we install switch to create a non-stop data transmission. After all the sensors and meters get information on site, it transfers the data through our switch, GenNet 5210G, and to the core switch, GenNet 6528G, to control room. Both of these two models are layer 2 switch that are 4 gigabit switch. Even its SFP ports are gigabit, so that can make sure fast and reliable data transmission. And our device makes sure no data loss during the process with our strong and patent ring redundant function. Due to the long distance and large information to final control room. So we mentioned this core switch we use. It is a reliable and with fast pass. It equipped with competitive features. It's a 19-inch 4 gigabit rack mount switch. All of its RJ45 ports, combo ports, SFP ports are all gigabit that can transmit large data information. It also comes with different models with AC or DC power. It also has very excellent ring redundant protection. It established ring with backup route that will keep sending and prevent any data loss. When any line disconnected, the backup pass can immediately replace. The ring pass supports standard ring and proprietary ring networks redundancy. In standard network redundant, our switch support ERPS that enable the facilities to connect with other brands. So if your structures or projects with third-party brands, our switch can support that. And our own patent proprietary ring called MSR, it's called multiple super ring. It can support different ring structures like rapid super ring, trunk ring, or super chain, depends on customers' requests. It's designed to shorten the backup time. So when the line is disconnected, the backup line will immediately switch to the active state to ensure no data lost. No matter how many nodes you connected, it only takes 50 milliseconds to reset. So with the systems, customer achieve a reliable control and monitoring systems to monitor the status of the device and prevent downtime immediately. And we successfully solve the root cause and help our customer get rid of their nightmare. Finally, customer decided to install 100 pieces of the device in the area to create the non-stop and reliable network. And they never receive any disconnections or shutdown anymore. That makes customers improving its efficiency and allocation time. Okay, so that's the two cases I shared today. I've shared our solutions for automation project this time, especially the HMI I talked today. I'd like to share with you how to perform this in real life, in real way. But I know now it's a bit hard to perform and show you on site. But I really want to share this for you to understand how to operate it in real way. So we launched this remote demo application now. In our demo room, we have different aged PLC brands. We will show you how to catch and exchange data directly. If you are interested in knowing more about how to operate it, how to customize your own recipes with our software, and how the statistics shows on the screens, please feel free to send me emails to apply the demo for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions, just feel free to send me an email. I'm looking forward to meeting you very soon. Please stay safe and healthy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.